Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is RFID based access control system using Arduino with Excel sheet. So mainly this project is for library student library access control. So door open close like that we are using only LEDs. So computer, it is connected with Excel sheet. So Arduino Uno R3 16x2 LCD display, 2 LEDs and EM18 RFID module. So here we are displaying the data onto the screen. Excel sheet, current time, students in out status. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using a power supply module, bridge rectifier, filter, capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED, 16x2 LCD display. So in status it was green color LED, out status it is orange color LED. So EM18 RFID module. Okay, RFID based access control system using Arduino with Excel sheet. Okay, so whenever I'm going to scan the card, student 1 in at library, so it will tell you the time, exact time, and student 1 in, so system time is 12:22, so 12:28 58 seconds. So now second card, second student 2 in at library, green color LED is on and the status is displayed on the Excel sheet. So if the students went outside, okay, student 1, orange color LED should be on, orange LED is on, student at library. Okay, so that status time should be displayed on the Excel sheet. So like that, third card, third student in, okay, second student out. Library access control system using RFID tags. Out means orange color LED, in means green color LED. So all the information, student 1 in, out, in, out. So here we are using PLX-DAQ software. With that software we are displaying the data onto the Excel sheet. Current date and time, students in, out. So this is for library access control system. Reset, RFID based access control system using Arduino with Excel. Okay, again we are going for the fourth card, in, third card, second card and first card. Okay, so now out. Yeah, so 4 cards in and 4 cards out. Thanking you just for execution. Now the next project is college examination room guide using RFID fingerprint GSM SMS alert.